Hey guys, good morning and welcome to our first full day here in Walt Disney World in Port Orleans, Riverside, Alligator Bayou. Yes, I'm coming to you from the laundry. We don't have enough warm clothes. Today is November 22nd and it is freezing. I think it's a whopping maybe like 48 degrees right now. It's cold, it's windy, and it's only warm for a moment on the sun. So I'm here scrambling to do laundry with any warm clothes that we have that we've used on our way here. I think we're gonna have to go to Disney Springs and do some shopping. But anyways, I wanted to start off the video here since we're here. Today we have our Christmas party, so we're gonna try to get there probably by like 3:15. I wanna get in as fast as possible. But until then, on the agenda today, we have laundry. This resort is very new to us, so we're gonna go ahead and explore it. Half of our crew is sleeping. Me and Andrew are here, so we're gonna put the laundry in. I placed a mobile order for breakfast. We're gonna go have breakfast and just be back and forth until everybody else wakes up. The resort is beautiful. There's so much beautiful nature, landscaping. I mean, the style of these buildings, it's gorgeous. It's empty. There's nobody here. And actually on our floor, there's like a crew of like 25 people painting. So surprised to see that they were there because they're so quiet. Like a little mouse, I swear to you, like a little mouse. I wouldn't even have known that they're literally painting right outside our window. Yesterday, I think we closed out the video maybe at like 12:30. Yeah, yes, it was a very long travel day. And it was hard. It wasn't easy. It wasn't an easy road trip, no. It was hard. It was just like, we were in the car for a long time. But anyways, let me get this laundry done. Let's go have some breakfast and get this beautiful day started. And I'm so excited that we're finally here. All right, laundry's in. We got 46 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and venture out, find this quick service restaurant. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Have our breakfast and then come back. So let's go together, explore this beautiful resort and find this restaurant. So the laundry is right here next to this quiet pool. And the sun, it feels amazing. In the shade, it feels very cold. So this is the whole, I guess, Alligator Bayou section, and we are in building 37. Ready, Ange? Andrew said it right. He says, we think we lost. Look, there's a ducky over there. Go get a ducky. There was just a sweet family, just gave him an extra duck. That was so cute. You're like on the cruise.
I wasn't.
Let me see your ducks. Aww, so sweet. Okay, I feel like we're walking around in circles. We're gonna try to make this happen. Okay, let's see. Let's follow the arrows. Is it this way?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the river. Is there an alligator there? There probably is an alligator there.
Okay, where are you?
All right. Okay, so we found another sign. So we're gonna go ahead and follow it. Look how beautiful it is, Andrew. So we got our breakfast. I don't know what this was, but it's like tater tots, cheese, gravy. As soon as I heard gravy, I was sold. hot tea, juice, and this little guy got waffles and tater tots. This place is so cool. Okay, so laundry's almost done. It's just drying. I have just a few more minutes. Thank God everybody's up and ready. I think it's about 12:30, maybe 12:45. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this off at the room, and we're gonna go to Disney Springs because Aiden really wants to go shopping. He wants to see the Uniqlo store. He wants a Dole Whip. I'm not sure, it's like -55 here in Disney. Of course, I wanna go see my candles, Christmas shop, and I wanna see, I forgot what the name of that store is, with the new Mickey headband ears where you attach different ones. I really want to get a pair from there, so let's see. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, we did some serious damage in Uniqlo.
Yeah, a lot of stuff. It's like the first time I've actually carried a heavy Uniqlo bag.
Aiden got quite a few shirts. Andrew got a couple of shirts. And I got actually like a light, I don't know, waffle knit type of long sleeve and a cardigan because it's gonna be cold and I need something for the parks when we go. We're going to Lego store to get a little Lego for Andrew. Sorry, excuse us.
Yeah? You like
What do you think?
Let's get it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Or you want that one? You want the cafe?
I want to let it.
Okay, let's go in. Come on, let's go pay. Okay, so it is currently 4 o'clock. Clearly, we are running late. You know what happened? We took the boat to Disney Springs and we didn't anticipate it taking that long. That was a very long boat ride. But anyways, we're ready. We're gonna hustle probably as soon as we get there because our Tron individual lightning lane is from 4:30 to 5:30. So we're gonna have to zoom right through and do Tron before we could like relax. I mean, it's gonna be a good time no matter what, but like I wanted to be there at this time already. I did, but here we go. Anyways, let's go out the door. We're through. With a few minutes to spare, we're going to
Tron.
The light cycle run makes sharp turns with sudden drops and stops. For your safety, remain seated on your light cycle at all times. Keep restraints securely fastened.
Grid, proceed to gates.
You don't have to.
Alright, so we got this. I was really looking forward to this. I hope it's good. And we got these festive beignets. I'm really excited about this. Right over here at the outpost.
Now, you scurvy skunk! Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10! 10? I'll give you 20!
You guys love snow too.
So yesterday we got back so late from Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party. I didn't get to finish the vlog. We had an incredible time. We did some rides. We watched the parade on Main Street by the garbage can. We had prime real estate sectioned off for us. We got a lot of cookies. We like went trick-or-treating for cookies. Some were better than others. It was so cold. There is definitely a cold front here and it is so cold. Oh my goodness. But anyways, I just wanted to close out yesterday's vlog to let you guys know it was incredible. If you have a chance to go to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party or Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, definitely do it. The crowds are so low, there's so much to do, it's so fun, and it was so merry and so festive and so cold. It was so cold, but we had an incredible time. And if you follow me and you know that my son is utilizing DAS Pass, his DAS Pass was approved and we were able to use DAS Pass throughout the party, so that was great. And really no hiccups. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for hanging out with us at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party. See you real soon.